The future of family cars was never supposed to feel like this. What if a 3-row SUV could move like a supercar and think like a machine? Tonight, we uncover the electric force redefining everything. Lucid didn't start as a legacy brand, it started as a challenge. A challenge to redefine what electric luxury could be. With the Air, they proved range and performance could coexist, but the world wanted more. More space, more practicality, more versatility. So the question became, could Lucid scale that vision into something bigger? And now, the answer arrives. This is the Lucid Gravity, a 3-row electric SUV. Engineered without compromise. Sculpted, spacious, unapologetically advanced, and yes, it hides something critical beneath its silence. The Gravity doesn't follow SUV design rules, it rewrites them. A flowing silhouette that feels almost aerodynamic in motion. Even when standing still, minimalist surfaces meet futuristic detailing, creating a presence that feels both calm and powerful. Compared to traditional SUVs, this isn't bulkhead's precision, but design is only the surface of its intelligence. Beneath its elegant form lies the core of its identity, a fully electric architecture powered by dual motors. Yes, this is all-wheel drive, but not just for traction, for control, precision, and confidence in every condition. 3 innovations define the experience: a compact yet powerful drive unit system, an ultra-efficient battery delivering extended range, and intelligent torque distribution that adapts in real time. Where traditional AWD reacts, this system predicts. So what does that feel like when the road disappears beneath you? Step inside, and space becomes something else entirely. An open, breathable cabin designed for 3 rows, without sacrificing elegance. Glass, light, and digital interfaces merge into one seamless environment. Every seat feels intentional. Every detail feels elevated. This isn't just luxury. It's a new interpretation of movement. In a world where electric SUVs are rising fast, the Gravity enters a fiercely competitive space, facing rivals like Tesla and Rivian. It doesn't try to be louder, it tries to be better balanced. Performance, space, efficiency, all converging into one statement. Because the real battle isn't speed, it's experience. The Lucid Gravity isn't just another electric SUV. It's a vision of what mobility could feel like. Not louder, not faster, but smarter. Because the future of driving isn't just about getting somewhere. It's about how it feels along the way. And maybe, just maybe, this is where everything changes. So, is this the electric SUV that changes everything? Drop your thoughts below. If this is your kind of future, subscribe.